Hey, so I was gonna try to start a more long-form math videos on YouTube, and YouTube is actually kind of, forgive me, a pain in the ass. And like I have to work harder. Like I can't do green screen, I can't do all these different other things, and I can't upload them as quickly as I would like. And when you're working in real time, you know, I don't want to have to edit. So I'm just gonna jump in right here, and I'm gonna start posting these back to Instagram again. So how you doing, Instagram folks? So I thought over the summer I was going to start to post some videos, and as a teacher, it's hard to consider, like, in the past I've been like, oh, I'll just do the curriculum and I'll do this. But it's like, then when you get online, you're like, oh, that's like a geometry lesson and that's an algebra lesson. And then you have to categorize it, and categorizing is just extra work. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to be like Maria Von Trapp, and let's start at the very beginning. It's a very good place to start. When you read, you would begin with ABC. When you sing, you begin with do, re, mi. And when you count, you begin with 1, 2, 3. So that's what we're going to be doing. We're going to start with numbers and counting. So here's your first lesson, 2 minutes. Here you go. If you're a kid who needs help, here you go. If you're someone into number theory, here you go. If you're a parent who wants to help your child, that's the best one yet. Let's start here, shall we? So I'm going to teach you how to count. I'm going to teach you how to do everything. But before we start, we had to consider numbers themselves. So I always like to tell kids the origins of numbers started with, like, you're trying to keep track of your sheep as they leave the pen. So the shepherd would literally like put, well, it wasn't a pen, it was usually a stone on the fence, right? And then for every sheep that walked out to pasture, and when the sheep would come in, he would pull the stone off the ledge and make sure all the sheep were there. If there was a stone left on the ledge, that means there was a sheep missing. End of sentence, done. So what that was a one-to-one correlation between the thing that you were trying to figure out and what. We get glyphs. So these are fun. That's ancient Babylonian, Egypt. Okay, Rome. These letters, these sucked. So we then started using Hindu Arabic numeration, and this is where it iterated down. Do you see India Arabic, right? So we got what we have from a dude named Fibonacci, and I'm going to do a thing on Fibonacci. In fact, I already did probably, but I'll do another one. But let's look at these glyphs for a second. Check out these, right? 1, 1, 2, 2, 3, 3, and then 4, 5. Do you see how, like, just take a moment to compare, because we have 10 for 10. Let's start at the beginning. Yeah? I'm going to step aside. Freeze it if you need to. So that's your first lesson for Miss T summer school. No, but I'm serious. All right, have a good one. Counting is